Hi, today I want to talk about dynamic input, a new feature. Suppose we have an input with name options. Input that a string default option 1 for example, and there is two options 1 and option 2. If you see here option 1 option 2, I want when I select option 2 I can set len. Just this is a example. Just if when I select option 2, not option 1, I only can set len when I select option 2. So here what we write, show for example input, we say if options equal to option 2, if options equal to option 2 means if user selected option 2, set it as true, otherwise false. Here we define new input len input dot int, for example default 10. Now we update and chart. No, it's still we can modify it when option 1 selected, but we don't want when option 1 selected we modify this. I want this don't allow us to modify when option 1 selected. So here we add active. If active is true, it allow to modify this input. If false, it doesn't allow. So we write here show input. So if show input, if option 2 selected, it's true, otherwise it's false. No, you can see lenses we cannot modify it because option 1 selected. I change to option 2, as you see now I can modify.